I felt that they were getting too rugged on us, no, from the beginning, even in the first game. Of course, it's also the responsibility of the referees to take control, no, of the game. And it's also my responsibility to keep my players safe. There's a lot of second motions happening. They're very rugged, as I said. And the coach said he was going to take my ass. So I was challenging him to take my ass. Pero hindi naman niya ginawa, no? So I just didn't want to be bullied in our own country. They were bullying us all the way. And andito tayo. Tapos tayo pa yung binubully. Hindi naman dapat 'yun. Hindi naman dapat 'yun. I don't know if they're really inherently rugged or dirty. No? They were accusing us of being dirty, but I don't know what dirty things we did. No? Hindi ko alam kung anong dirty sinasabi nila. But sila, ang dami nilang second motion. Even that incident that triggered the whole thing, their player threw the ball to our player, no? Which was unnecessary. Okay, so that was really unnecessary. And there are guests, no? Maybe it's a two-way thing, no? But we did not do anything to them that they did not deserve. So, ganun lang yun.
Coach, they chose to not play anymore.
That's their option, no? Patalo na sila, natatalo sila. So ayaw nila maglaro, alam nila wala na silang panalo. Ayaw na nila maglaro. Nandito tayo respetuhin naman nila tayo, di ba? Konting respeto naman. Wala naman tayong ginagawa sa kanila. Naglalaro lang tayo yung putang inang coach na yan, kala mo kung sinong siga, andito tayo. Hindi naman lalaban ng suntukan yung gago na yun.